Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itho da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka Jingthoh. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Uba wailat miki Shillong MLA wari kmi yakatanat kakoi kakia but sports ubadai ru no ai Ktien ke sarkar MDE2 haka santere gujemang arajar arpun riu ula pentip bakadai ke Sien ke Nyngkong bala Pyndonkam dagi Jingthoh haka Ktien Khasi Garo but English haka Jingïalang Kynhun Myntri ke sarkar jella. Haba pentip yakani syakilat pathai khubor uba wailat miki Shillong ula ong bakani ke peni baka sarkar kadon ya ke jingkit khlie baka Ktien Khasi kan yo no ke Jingithoh haka kernet ke bapra jongkariti sensyar kari India.
See, right now, Panar is like because it is still no doubt the district council have passed for the alphabet from the district council. I think it is still with the governor. So unless the governor assent the alphabet, I think it's too early for the people from Jingthoh to come up for any language. But since you bring in the issue of language, I was so happy and I almost completely miss it. But I think this today is a cabinet is a kind of a historic one where the agenda note is on 3 different languages. So I have the agenda note of in Khasi also. Yes, here you can see Kimat Bakongsan formal item. This is a agenda note of today's cabinet where it is in Khasi, and as well in Garo. So all 3 language is there. So I think it's a big thing and it's a big achievement for the state, and I think it's going to benefit large for the people of the state. And I think this is also one of the issue where I think we are showing that we are fully concerned regarding raising and pushing for the inclusion of the Khasi under the age schedule.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha Pyndonkam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.